All right, Caleb, do the honors. Yeah, that's a vehicle.
Holy crap.
Wow.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.
All right. What's going on, guys? Jason, Thrift Trader, and today I'm with my buddy Caleb, and he just bought a storage unit for how much?
$400.
$400, and we're about to open this sucker up. Word has it, there might be a vehicle in here, so we're gonna take a look. All right, Caleb, do the honors. Yeah, that's a vehicle.
Holy crap.
Wow, there didn't seem to be this much. There didn't seem to be this much in the video. Man, holy shit. Guitar.
Yeah. Ride a lawnmower.
That right there could be some money. Don't discount this. Riding lawnmower. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
That's a huge compressor. Let's see what else we got over here. A couple bicycles. There's another compressor. Looks like. Targets. Hey, we might find a gun. Yeah, there's a van in here. And it's got the motor. Looks like it's got parts of the motor in there. It's got some of the motor in there. Guys, I think we got our work cut out for us. So let's see what we can't find.
I'm done.
I want to know what this is. This looks interesting. It might be. What is this? This is an old antique speaker.
When we put it up for auction, it's because we're not allowed to go inside.
Yeah.
So we can't.
I was curious just how long they had been renting here.
That does tell you how long they've been renting here.
A long time. Years and years and years.
Yeah.
What's monthly rent on this unit?
But probably, if you get it on a special, you can do it for like $84 a month.
$84 a month. So let's just say they've been here for 10 years. Let's just say that.
It's probably stated on
Do what?
187.
187? $187 a month?
But the problem is, if you don't pay it on time, your fees build up.
Yeah, yeah. So you're looking at probably, if they've been here for 10 years, it's $20,000.
Yeah.
$20,000.
Yeah.
Holy sh!
What I'll tell y'all is, at the Edmund store, the guy found $1,400 in the unit.
Oh, nice.
Was it the one that was completely
Nice. All right, guys, we're about to go through this. I'll let you know when we find something. I'm certain that we will, but we're gonna drag some of this stuff out and get it loaded up, and we'll show you later. All right, so not even 10 minutes into this, and we're both sweating like dogs. What? Is it snap on? Snap on. Dude, that drive alone is probably.
That's 150.
Really? Holy cow. Got a nice industrial floor jack here. Got this is an old compressor right here. It's made by Lindsay air compressor. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so he gave $400 for this unit, guys. 400 bucks. That's gonna be scrap. Those are old semi tires, a bunch of scrap metal here. This looks like drive shafts to a semi, so that'll be good scrap. Got a lot of scaffolding in here, and I bet this scaffolding will sell, no doubt about it. Over here we've got a guitar. It's made in Japan. I didn't see anything else on it, so if you guys know at all anything about this, please let us know. It's an old classical guitar, no brand. It has a made in Japan sticker on the back. Let me see if I can show you. Made in Japan. I can't read that other sticker though, but should clean up nicely. Pair of cowboy boots. This sucker right here has got some huge, it's made by Wisdom. It's got some huge sockets. So if we find the rest of that, we might be into some really good money there. That's just got a bunch of hand tools in it, a couple bicycles here, but something I really $92. Is that new or used?
That's used.
Okay, nice. All right, guys. So this was found here, and this is what I was telling Caleb when he was bidding on the storage unit: is don't discount the vintage electronics that we saw. This particular, it's a Kenwood KR-8050. This right here is guaranteed his money back. As long as it works, guaranteed his money back. Solds are around $400 to $600 on eBay. Right there. That's all of his money back. Everything else is pure profit. What do you think, Caleb? Not bad, huh? Not bad. All right, we're gonna keep digging. Okay, so yeah, riding lawnmower, Craftsman riding lawnmower. These look like vintage speakers. So I'm curious to know what's gonna happen. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, okay. What brand is that? Klipsch. That's actually a decent brand. This could be worth some money. Hey. Oh, that's just, I thought that was a jewelry box, but I lied to myself. Yep, so Klipsch, looks like a subwoofer of some sort. Potential money there, we'll have to look it up. No telling what else we got in here. Let's see. Briefcase. Maybe it's full of money. There's another piece of vintage electronics up there. Can't wait to get to. That's JVC. See Carvin speakers back there. Hey, dude.
What?
You got some nice Carvin speakers back here. Dude. Look at this. Can't wait to see what that is. We'll come back and show you. Caleb's got to take a break. We're both like sweaty as heck. But guys, look at this. This is what caught my eye when I was looking at this unit when he was bidding on it. But this is porcelain, or well, maybe plaster. But it's probably 2 foot tall, just to the top of the head there, and it weighs quite a bit. And there's no markings on the bottom. It's obviously very old. Don't have a clue who this is, guys. If you can help me identify who this guy is, who this character is, it would greatly help us, because obviously this is a lamp and we have no idea what we even have here. Then we have an accordion. You want to play it? I wonder if it works. Okay. It works. Horo accordion. Who knows? Horo accordion. Who knows what that might be worth? So interesting. So back here, we crawled back there and we looked up the model of that Toshiba receiver, and that's about $185 to $100. So not bad there. We're about to try and drag this lawnmower out. Unfortunately, no keys in the lawnmower, but you know what? Win some, lose some. We found, well, you guys have already seen this, but we got it pulled out. This guy right here, it's a big Carvin monitor speaker, okay? And Carvin is C-1204. We've got a whole pair. We got a pair, 2 of them. And what I saw on eBay, of course, they're way too big and too bulky to ship on eBay without being palletized. So there's not going to be that many solds on eBay. But what we saw on eBay was one sold listing, local pickup only, for $100 for a pair. Likely we could probably get $150 for a pair on Facebook Marketplace for anybody that's interested in these. So $150 probably for the pair. So we're looking at $400, $500, $650. You know, we're probably looking at we'll say $500 for the van, after it's all said and done, maybe 1,500 bucks on a $400 purchase, maybe even more. We're not even through here, so who knows? Who knows what the scrap will get us, and who knows what the scaffolding is worth, but there's still a lot for us to go through. Let's take a look inside the van. All right, so we've got, there's stuff back here. There's stuff in here. This looks like a dog carrier. That looks like a computer monitor. What else we got in here? Looks like pretty sweet shaggin' wagon. I'd say after that find earlier, this was a shaggin' wagon. But,
Nice and jiggly.
oh, there's a lot more scaffolding down here, and this van currently is sitting on this thing. You can see it. It's literally sitting on this thing, and I don't know if it's the van that's sitting on it or if it's the motor that's sitting on it. It looks like I don't know. It's hard to say.
No, I don't think the motor's in there.
Actually, no. It looks like the front drive is on it though.
Aww.
So who knows? Hopefully it's not a real pain to get on the trailer, because that would be bad. That would be really bad. So anyways, we're gonna keep going. Lots of hand tools in here, guys. Small power tools. We're finding a lot of it just in pretty much every box. So it all adds up. It all adds up. So I'm gonna get off here, start helping this hoss.
Built an empire of stars.